Hey everyone, I'm John Deere and welcome. This week I have an extra special fun episode for you of Sew and Tell. I'm going to show you one of my funniest designs that I've ever done. And this was actually done about 17 years ago, and it was when we still worked with manufacturers. I'm talking about manufacturers of garments, jackets, and headwear. In the 80s and 90s, there were actually companies in North America that produced those items in North America. Unfortunately, most of that has now gone offshore, but in those days it was kind of cool because we had the opportunity of working with those manufacturers and getting the panels brought to us, embroidering them, and then sending them back to the manufacturer to be constructed. And that opened up a whole different world of opportunity. We could have fun and we could be creative. So this design that I'm going to show you was actually done by a cap manufacturer, somebody who made headwear, and they sent me the panels. And I do want to mention, and I've said this before, but I want to mention, you cannot sew through the bill or the peak of a baseball hat. Do not try it. It's not possible. You will break your machine. The only reason why I was able to do this is because it was in a panel program. So this one was a lot of fun. I actually won a first place ribbon for this in a commercial industry, and I called this design Roadkill. And here's why. We actually have a design that has the crown of the hat and the peak or the bill of the hat. And if you look at the crown, you can see that there is a building there. You can see the bricks, you can see the little window with the pet shop. That's actually an applique of plastic on the front here, and I embroidered the words pet shop on the plastic. And you can see the little doggy kind of pushing up against the glass, which gives it even more of a fun, realistic view. But the best part is there's a big dog here on the sidewalk, and he's having a little piddle on the fire hydrant. And when you look at the actual peak of the hat, that's the road. And you can see that his little puddle of pee is on the road of the hat, and there actually is roadkill. We have a squashed raccoon there, and unfortunately the blood is going down the drain. So this is the kind of stuff that you could have fun with in those days. And yes, in the commercial industry I was known for doing some wacky fun stuff, but that's what life's all about. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this segment, and make sure that you subscribe below and give us a like. Hi everyone, John Deere here, and thanks for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends. Also, to become part of the legacy, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell to be notified every time we release a new weekly video. So join the legacy now. It's no mystery, award-winning embroidery is our history.